You know, I gotta do like how I've been seeing them do, because I mean, she definitely is giving like we can rock our glueless. That's my rat tail comb right underneath of it. You definitely can rock it glueless. Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in this video, you guys, I'm going to be giving you my full final review of this wig from Love Me Hair. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright y'all, so it has officially been 1 week since I've been wearing this unit from the Love Me Hair brand. And you guys, I'm just going to jump straight into the pros and the cons of this unit. I have been wearing this unit glueless, so that means I didn't apply any type of lace glue adhesive or any type of wig or melting spray. I didn't apply any of that, so I do just have the wig glueless. So that is the #1 pro about this unit, that is just easy to just throw on and go and get out the door. I've been having to get up, you guys, 5 o'clock every day this week, so your girl has been kind of pressed for time. So that has been so helpful in my getting ready process in the morning, it being glueless and effortless to apply. So that is something that I've been loving about the unit. And I also do love the color. I raved about that so much in my initial review, and if you guys want to see the initial review of me unboxing this unit, definitely make sure you check that out. I will have that part of the video, well, that previous video, linked to this video as well, so you guys can just get a feel of what this unit was giving straight out the box. And I also do like how well the curls held up. So I have not applied any type of heat or any type of styling manipulation. So I didn't put any flexi rods, or I didn't even braid or bantu knot the curls. So these are the curls that were originally in the unit when I first unboxed it, and all I would do every day was either take my fingers and finger comb to separate the curls out a little bit more, or I would use a brush or a wide tooth comb to just comb or brush through the unit as well. So that's literally what my application process looked like every day. Now, let's go ahead and jump into some of the cons that I am noticing with this unit. And really, my #1 con that I'm noticing is this wig does tangle pretty bad in the nape. I'm not over exaggerating. This is me trying to get my fingers through the wig, and I'm not able to. Like, my fingers are actually stuck right here. So in order for me to really get the nape of the wig untangled, and I'm just showing you guys on both sides, my fingers are getting stuck. In the front, it wasn't as bad. As you can see, my fingers are just gliding through the front portion of the wig, but in the back and the nape section, my fingers tend to get stuck. All right, y'all, so I'm back to show you guys what the wig looks like up close and personal. And I did also forget to mention, the wig does have a little bit of flyaways here and there throughout the unit, but it's nothing, like I said, nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the tangling section that I'm referring to in the unit. So right here, there is pretty much like a matted, I'm not gonna say too matted, but it's a large knot of hair right here. There's a ball, almost like a ball of hair that is frizzy and just knotted up. Can't really get my fingers through it too well. So this section right here in the bottom of the wig is that where I'm talking about. That's all knotted up. Trying to get a better angle so you guys can see. This section of hair right in the nape is where you have the mattedness at. But pretty much all throughout the rest of the wig, you can comb through it easily with the fingers. But right here at the nape is where you get those knots of hair right there. My fingers, with my own finger strength, not doing too much, I can't really get my fingers through it. So I am gonna have to use a brush or a comb to get through that part. I'm going to be using a flat paddle brush to detangle the hair. I'm simply just going to work my way from the ends up into the root of the hair. The only reason why I'm not starting at the root is because if you try to start from the root, the brush tends to get stuck and it's not able to glide through the hair. So I'm just gonna work my way from the ends up to the root. And this would be the same method that you would use to brush your own hair as well. So again, just starting from the ends and working my way up to the roots of the hair. And it's just a whole lot easier for the brush to get through the hair when you start from the ends. And now it's just gliding through. And then you see how easy those curls are bouncing back? That's something that I am loving on this unit so far. Like the curls, even though they're separating and getting bigger, they bounce back pretty good. So this is about how much has come out after brushing throughout the entire unit. So that still is not a lot of hair. It's not clumps of hair that's coming out. So this is about a moderate level of shedding. This is a normal amount of shedding for 1 week wear of the wig. So in order to bleach the knots today on this unit, I am going to be using the Clairol VW2 bleaching powder in the single pack. And I'm going to be using the brand called Superstar 40 Volume Developer, which I did pick up from my local beauty supply store. And when it comes to the level of developer that you use, it really just depends on your preference. As a beginner, I would suggest using either a 20 or a 30 volume developer. And you guys, after I have bleached the knots on this unit, I am going to follow up with the BioSilk Silk Therapy shampoo and conditioner, and it does have a leave-in conditioner as well. So I'm going to follow up with these products to shampoo and conditioner the entire unit, including the lace section, just so that way this hair can get some TLC. I did not actually shampoo the unit before putting it on. That is something that I normally do, but I wanted to give you guys a full in-depth review from start to finish. So we are going to go ahead and get this unit shampooed and conditioned. Alright y'all, so I have tried my best to comb these curls down, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wet the wig back down, and this will be the ultimate test to see the quality of this hair. If the original loose wave curls come back, no problem, because we have shampooed this wig, we have deep conditioned the wig, we have blow dried it, we've straightened it, we've curled it, we've done all the things. So to see if it can bring back those luscious curls that we saw in the first video will be the ultimate test to see the true quality of this hair. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna give you guys one last 360 with these Va Va Voom curls, and we're gonna go ahead and wet this wig on down, okay?
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed.
Alright y'all, so here are the final results of this wig from Love Me Hair. I have been wearing this wig officially for 2.5 weeks, and you guys, I can definitely say that I would suggest purchasing this unit from the Love Me Hair brand. It definitely is easy to apply and maintain. I am wearing it glueless, so I don't have any lace adhesive or glue attaching the wig to my head, so you can definitely wear it as a glueless unit. I will say the only cons that I have about this unit is it does tend to tangle in the nape section just a little bit, but the shedding is very minimal. I do love how easy it is to just curl and style this hair. This hair does hold a curl, and the curls are nice and voluminous, so that is something that I definitely do love about this unit, as well as just the color. Like, I really do love how they colored and highlighted this wig. It looks very nice and natural, and the color job is very nice. No harsh lines of demarcation. And another one of my favorite things that I do love about this wig is the adjustable band in the back, which does make it very easy to apply and glueless. So I would definitely give this wig a 2 thumbs up for me. It is, I would definitely say it's about a 9 out of a 10 for me, and just because of the reason why I don't give it a 10 is just because of the tangling and the shedding. But other than that, this wig is definitely popping. So I am gonna definitely make sure I leave the links down below so you guys can check out this unit for yourselves. And that is all that I have for this wig review. Don't forget to check out my initial review when I first got the wig, just so you can get a total picture of what this wig is giving. Alright y'all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you guys really did enjoy this in-depth wig review. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on this unit. Let me know, would you rock this unit yourself? And of course, do not forget to share this video with your beauty bestie so we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.